Okay. Hi. Uh, I shall be opening a blue Science pack. Okay. I shall be opening Blicket packs today. Uh, hold up. They spelled this wrong. Wait, hold up. They know how to spell it right. Hold up. Bro, no way. Blicket actually spelled. Wait, how do I change it? I don't think I can change it. Okay, never mind. Um. So, Ice Monsters pack. I have like a 3% chance of actually getting the ice slime. So I'm boosting my confidence. Yeah. Oh, that means this is going to take like 30 days. That's what that means, okay? That does not mean boosting confidence. That means no. No. Just okay. Okay, I have like an 11% chance of getting a legendary, so high chances I will not be getting the next legendary. Okay, why are all these uncommon? Okay. Hold up, what does Ice Slime look like? Wait, it looks like it's like the normal. It looks like that guy right here, right? The guy my mouse is pointing at. But light blue. How do I give my game a description of this guy so I can blackmail? Not blackmail. Sorry, what am I saying? Um, force it, actually. Nah, not force. Actually, yeah, force it. Into giving me. Okay, give me something that is under 1%. Get size crap. Like I don't want ice crap. I want ice slime. Okay, yippee. Very under 1% game. Do math. Another round. What? Okay. Good. I do not want another bush monster today. I sure do love my lag, don't I? My computer loves lagging. What? Okay. I don't think you saw that. You saw nothing. If you did. To be honest, I don't think there's any personal stuff on there. Okay, yeah, thank you. I know. Confetti. Yep, this game respects me. Okay, if I don't get it right here. Yeah! Okay. So after blasting your eardrums, time to sell everything I got. It said I would get like 34,000 legend. I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's and gonna oh my gosh. I want to sell all my books so bad. Like, bro, I'm just so needy of that. Go press charges if this. I'm actually gonna press charges for, I don't know, defamation if I don't get this. Like, actually, I'm gonna press charges for defamation if I don't get something good. That's what I'm suing. Okay. Look and see me in court. Oh my god. Okay, yay, another bush monster. This is emotional damage. And I don't like that. I don't like that. That's just mean. This thing's bullying me. I'm getting bullied by Blicket. What? Blicket is literally bullying me. Okay. I'm going to use that. I should use that. I should use all of this money. Spam clicking time. Yay. Oh, come on. Okay, let's see. What shall I get? Chemo Corona, sadly. I wish I got the Corona right now. No, do not sell that guy. I wish I didn't sell my rainbow panda. Okay, 63 left. If all these are uncommons, I just end the video. Oh, I think. Because then if I get 2, then yeah, it's only 1. So yeah. Yeah, if I only get uncommons. Okay, if this one's uncommon, I'm ending the video. So, bye.